Here we are, we're going to talk about the HyperX Cloud 2 over-the-ear gaming headset. And this is the red version. And there's also a GM version, which stands for gunmetal. And I just really want to quickly point out something here. The name HyperX Cloud 2 over-the-ear, this one, the gunmetal one, is called HyperX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming. Don't get fooled. They're trying to sell it for a higher price in some cases. It's the exact same headset. We'll get into that. I'll talk about it in the video. But so just really quickly, just a rundown. So you get the headset, comes with a mic, memory foam up here, ear pads, memory foam, very comfortable headset. The only thing that I came across, which I'll explain in the video, did not come with this airplane adapter for some reason. They should have had that in there. Not a big deal. They don't even use these in most airplanes anymore. So, whatever. Not a big deal. So, just a quick rundown. It does have surround sound. And it's compatible, with your PlayStation 4, Xbox. Looks like some sort of adapter required. The frequency response is 15 to 25 kilohertz. The headset sounds really good, so I'm not going to get into the numbers and all that stuff. USB sound card audio control box. We'll talk about that, what that is. It's kind of like an add-on thing, an extension for the cord. It's hardware driven, so there's no software you need to install. It's just plug and play. Just normal USB drivers will be assigned, standard Windows stuff. The microphone is detachable, which is handy. I find I use it often without the microphone on there. TeamSpeak certified, noise isolating ear cups. That doesn't mean that they're noise canceling. However, very good headset. You can't really hear a lot of stuff around once you have it on and you're playing some stuff on there. Now again, independent audio and mic volume controls. That's if you're using the USB extension. We'll talk about that. And the ear cups again. Very comfortable, memory foam. So we'll talk about that too in the video. Okay, so let's get moving. Here we are, we're looking at the HyperX Cloud 2 headsets here. Now you're wondering, I have two here. They're actually both the same, but there's something really important you need to know. This is the original, I got this one, I don't know, maybe not quite 2 years ago. And it's called the Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset. And it's in gunmetal. And this is the new version. It's called the HyperX Cloud 2 Gaming Headset. This is the red version. It's different there. But they're both exactly the same headsets. Now, why am I bringing this up? Because they're still selling these ones. And they're still selling them under the red banner also as the Pro Gaming Headset. These headsets are exactly the same, except the price. Now, I've noticed they've put these on sale. Maybe they're phasing this out now. It's the same headset, but they're still trying to sell them for probably, I think it's about $40 or $50 more than this one. They're exactly the same. I actually do have the Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset in the red version also. This one I have not opened. This does not say the Pro Gaming Headset, but if you look at the SKU numbers, the item numbers, exactly the same. The only difference between, say, the gunmetal color and the red is just the very final digits. GM on these for gunmetal, and I believe it's RO on the red one. So anyways, I wanted to clear that up. Be careful if you're buying these online or at the store. It's the same headset. Don't be paying a whole bunch of more money for this thing, because they're the same. Okay, let's get into the business. So this one, as I said, I have not opened this one up. And get that end off here. So I wanted to show you just, because there's a few things, when you're opening this up. Let's get it out of the packaging. And we can talk about some of the details. I'll put the stats up on them also. So this is what you get out of the box, just, you know, some general information there. See, actually, surprise, surprise. So in the packaging, HyperX Cloud 2 Pro Gaming Headset. It's not on the outside of the box anymore. It's the same headset. So be careful about the price, because you don't want to end up paying a bunch of more money for the same thing. I don't know why they're doing that. It's dishonest. Well, and it's not HyperX that's doing that. It's the retailers. I don't know. So here we go. Just the packaging. You get an extra set of, I guess, whatever you want to call these, ear pads or whatever. The difference between the extra set, these ones are sort of like a soft velour. And on the actual headset, it's not leather, but it's like a leatherette. They are super comfortable. They really are. You can wear these for a long time. It has memory foam along the top, and really they are super comfortable. They're one of the most comfortable headsets I've ever worn. And unless you have like a really pointy head, you're not going to have any trouble. The cord on them, it's wound up here right now, but it's approximately, this one is about 1 meter long. You know, 3.5, 4 feet, something in that range. It's not super long, but we'll get into, I'll show you in a second here about this cord issue. We'll talk about it. And this model, it comes with a microphone. There's a little, where is it now? Oh, that's interesting. On my other headset, it actually comes with a cover that's on here that covers up this little hole. But the microphone, you can put it in or leave it off, whatever you want to do. I really don't use the mic a whole lot, but if you're doing gaming and, you know, the TeamSpeak and all that stuff, you want that mic in there. It's a noise canceling mic, so apparently it's pretty good. I can't really tell you too much. I haven't really used the microphone a whole lot on my other one. But this is the headset. It's super comfortable. No issues. I really like the headset. So now you're thinking, okay, back to this cord issue. It's only 1 meter long. It will work in, like, you know, I use it on my iPad, or you can plug it into your computer. But if you're only using this section of it, you do have to be a little bit close. But normally I just use this end, but something else. Further in the box here, kick this out, they include this little carry case. Now in the carry case, there is this. And this is actually, so you can just use this is a standard, I think it's the 3.5 millimeter plug. It's pretty standard, like all headsets and stuff. Or you can use this. Well, no, you'd use this in unison, which is a USB adapter and a little headset and microphone control, and also an option for a button to press for the 7.1 sound. Honestly, I don't find a huge difference when you go into this mode. I find it just basically, it kind of amplifies it a little bit. It does sound a little bit different, maybe better. It depends maybe what you're using it for. I don't know. But yeah, you can plug this in, and this cord, I believe, it's more than 1 meter, so you have plenty of cord. Now I like corded items. They also, HyperX also, they make several different versions of the headset. Some of them are Bluetooth, quite expensive though. Well, they're both Bluetooth and corded, which is nice. But yeah, the price point for the Bluetooth version, yeah, they're pretty pricey. I think they're over $200, whereas these ones vary from, you know, about $130 up to about $180 if they're trying to sell you the other one that they claim is the Pro version, which is the same as this one. Now, one thing that I noticed, unless it's in here, I don't know if this is significant, I have to go and get the old box here. I don't know, this is probably not significant for you. Maybe they don't include this anymore. This is, I believe this is, in airplanes, the older airplanes have the 2 attachments, so that's what I think this is for. I could be wrong. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments. So the new version does not come with this. I don't see it. Unless I missed it, I don't think so. Okay, so that's the only thing that's missing out of the new version. Modern airplanes, I actually haven't seen these 2 clip things lately in my travels. Not that I travel a lot, but just notation. Okay, so there you have it. So I'll put the specs up, and you know, for some people who might be interested in the specs, others maybe not. They do sound good. You'll be happy with them. I think you'll be happy with them. My opinion. Okay, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Come back for more. And yeah, I think you'd be really happy with these. Again, if you have the extra bucks, maybe try the Bluetooth version, but I just, I find it's not necessary for me. I don't really need the Bluetooth stuff. I'm sitting at the computer, especially if you're doing music stuff, say with like a keyboard and some software for doing tunes. Yeah, sometimes you can have issues with Bluetooth. Sometimes there's delay. That's not a good thing, so I like having things hardwired, but just me. Enjoy. Hope you like the video. Bye-bye.